In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an amazing and unique looking portfolio website step by step using all free resources. And you don't need any coding or design skill. This tutorial is for complete beginners. Let me just show you the banner area of this website. We can see the logo on the left. Here's the navigation menu. And on the right side, if anyone clicks on this phone number, they can call you directly from inside of your website. Here you can replace this image with any of your images. You can change all these headings, texts by yourself. Not only that, if you want, you can change the whole color scheme of this website following your brand color. Now, before showing you the whole website, let me introduce you to myself first. My name is Fahad. So far, I have done nearly 1200 plus freelance projects, and over 90% of clients came through my portfolio website. Even I have done 100 plus jobs on freelancing marketplaces, and 80% of clients asked me this question first: do you have a portfolio website? So I highly suggest you to create your portfolio website before anything else if you are really serious about your business and career. Now let's go back. We have seen the banner. Next, I will show you how to create this beautiful About Me section with these animated progress bars. Here you can talk more about yourself. You can add all your social media links. And then I will show you how to create this beautiful services area. And you can replace all this content with your own content, and you can add as many services you want, because if you have a look, this is a beautiful sliding carousel. Next, we have got a beautiful call to action area. You can link this call to action button to anywhere. And next, I will show you how to create this beautiful portfolio section. So here you can put all your previous work. Also, if anyone hover over on any single project, they can see the project title here. Here is the project description. Also, with this button, you can add your project link. Next, I will show you how to create this beautiful testimonial carousel. So here you can put all your previous clients' reviews or their beautiful testimonials. And then here we have got our pricing table. So here you can give your client some idea about your project budget. Then here within this beautiful logo carousel, you can put your client logos. And then I will show you how to create this beautiful contact form. So people can contact you directly from inside of your website by using this contact form. Then I will show you how to embed your Google Map address within the website. And finally, how to create a footer like this. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop and by using only free resources? Alright, we will be creating our beautiful website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 70% discount link. Then how to install WordPress. Then how to install a free theme and a free page builder. Finally, we will start creating our amazing website step by step. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be yourwebsitename.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any images or text, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your website. Alright, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting? To get your web hosting, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just type jimfahaddigital.com/namehero and hit enter. That will take you to a special discounted NameHero page. Now, why NameHero? Well, I'm a web developer. I've been developing websites for my clients for the last 10 years, and I have tested almost all web hosting companies from the best to the worst. Whenever I talk about web hosting, I prioritize these 3 things. Number 1, super fast website speed, then fast support, thirdly, affordable price. And NameHero passes all these very strongly. I have hosted some of my clients' websites at NameHero where they have got millions of visitors on their website without any downtime. That's why I personally use it, and I recommend all of my clients to host their websites at NameHero. To get it, click here on Get Started Now. We can see there are different plans here. Actually, you can take any of these packages depending on your needs and budget. Like here, if you want to host only one website, then you can take this starter cloud plan. With the plus cloud plan, you can host 7 websites. Then here is the turbo and business cloud plans. If you're an agency, I highly recommend you to take any of these packages in between this turbo cloud and business cloud, because here you can host unlimited websites. Also, you will get NVMe storage that will make your websites lightning fast. With the first 2 packages, you are getting unlimited SSD storage, which is also super fast. Personally, I love NameHero for their lightning speed. And then no matter which package you are taking, you will get free SSL certificate. That means your website would be super secure with HTTPS protocol. Now let's take any of these packages. You can upgrade or downgrade to any other package anytime. So for now, I want to take this starter cloud plan. So from here, let's click on order now. From here, you need to register your domain name. That's basically your website name or website URL. First, you need to check if the domain name is available or not. Like here, I'm typing Facebook. Here, let's keep the .com extension and click on search. It says facebook.com is unavailable, and it should be. So you cannot take any domain name that's already been taken. So here instead, you can put your name or your brand name or your business name. Like here, I'm typing Gmex. Then from the right side, you can select your domain extension like .com, .net, .org. Then let's say if you're a local business, so you can select the extension based on your country name like .us, .nl, .uk, like this. But personally, I like .com websites, so I'm selecting .com. It looks more legit and professional to me. Now it's gmex.com. To check its availability, just click on search. And yup, it says congratulations, gmex.com is available. Cool. Let's now click on continue. From here, you can choose the billing cycle. Like you can take it for 3 years or 2 years, but I want to start with 1 year. And then I don't want to take any of these upsell options because you can do all of this just by using free plugins. Okay, so now from this right side, click on continue. Then from here, you can turn on the ID protection option. So no one will get to know your email address and you will not receive spam emails every day. You can take it if you want, but it's not mandatory. So for now, I'm deselecting it and click on continue. So here at the checkout, you can first see the regular price. So the domain price is $14 and the web hosting price is $131. But as you are using the discounted link from the description, that's why you are getting this huge $98 discount. Including everything, you just need to pay $47 for the full year. I must say it's a great win. All these great features under $50, that's incredible. Let's now scroll down. As you are a first-time customer, so you need to create a new account. So here I'm providing my informations and address. So here you just need to put your name, email address, phone number, and billing address. Let's now scroll down. Here you need to put some additional informations. Like it says, how did you find us? So of course you are watching this tutorial on YouTube, so I'm selecting YouTube. And then this one, the support pin option is important. So here you need to type 4-digit pin. Like here I'm typing 1919. And of course you should put here a different pin. So if you need any NameHero support via their phone or live chat, they will ask you about this 4-digit pin. And then here type a password for your NameHero account. Then retype the same password here. And then scroll down. You can select any of these payment methods. Like you can pay them via PayPal, via Coinbase. Oh, Coinbase, yep, they accept cryptocurrency. And then here's the credit card option. And I want to use this option. So here I'm putting my credit card informations. Let's now scroll down. You can turn on this receive email option. So occasionally they will send you emails if they have any discount or any offer. Now let's select this option. It says I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Now from the right side, let's click on checkout. and it says order placed. Congratulations! You have successfully secured your domain name and web hosting. Now you can just click continue to client area, or you can just open up a new window and from there just go to namehero.com. Actually, I'm just showing you the usual way because all time you cannot get access to this page that says order confirmation. The button says continue to client area. So from the namehero.com, you just need to click here on account, and that will take you inside Namehero dashboard. If you need any support, then from the left hover over on support, you can just open a support ticket from here. They will communicate with you really quickly to solve your problem. Then from this billing, you can update your credit card or you can add alternative payment options. Alright. Now I want to install WordPress. So to do it, let's now click on My Cloud. Then from here, click on Web Hosting. From here, click on Login to cPanel. Now from the search bar, I'm searching for WordPress. Then let's select this one. It says WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So I'm clicking here. Now from here, click on Install. Then from here, you need to choose your domain name. As you have got only one domain, so there is nothing to choose. So I'm selecting gmx.com. Then on the right side, this directory field, make sure it's empty. Sometimes you may see here it says WP or any other thing like that. Just remove that and keep this directory field empty. Then make sure this first option, choose the protocol to HTTPS. So your website would be encrypted and secured. Alright, let's now scroll down. From under the admin account, let's select an admin username and admin password. Basically, you will be using this username and password to log in into your WordPress website. So here I'm giving my admin username to Jim Fahad, and here I want to put a strong password. So first of all, I'm making it hide. Let's type a strong password, and then within this admin email field here, I'm putting my best email address. Always try to put your best email address here, because if you forget your WordPress password, the recovery email will be sent to this email address. And then from left, we can actually change this site name and site description from inside WordPress. So skip it for now and let's just scroll down. Now I'm skipping all these options because I can control everything from inside WordPress dashboard. So let's just scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on install. Just wait a little, it might take 2 to 3 minutes. Not 2 to 3 minutes, it just took 10 seconds. It says congratulations. So we have successfully installed WordPress. And here is the administrative URL. You can just click here to log in into WordPress. But like always, I just wanna show you the usual way. So whenever you wanna log in into your WordPress website, you can just open up a new window. Type your domain name here. In our case, it's gmx.com, then / and type wp-admin and hit enter. And here you just need to put your WordPress username and password you have just set. So here my WordPress username is Jim Fahad. I'm writing my password here. Now click on login. So right now we are inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. I will make you familiar with all these options, like if you want to create a new page, you can do that from here. If you want to install a plugin, you can do that from this place. If you want to change your password, you can do that from this place. I will make you familiar with all these options, but before that, I want to clean up my WordPress dashboard because personally I love to work in a clean environment. So first, I just want to close all this notification. So click on this X. Also, let's minimize all of them. And you know what? We can do other thing from here top, open the screen options, and you can just deselect all of them one by one like this. So right now our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner. Then the next thing I want to do, I want to change my WordPress password. So to do it, from left hover over on users. From there, let's go to profile. And from this page, if we just scroll down to the very bottom in this place here under account management, you see it says new password. So click on new password Click on set new password, and here WordPress is suggesting us a new password, but I don't want to use it. And to type the new password, first I'm clicking here on hide, and here I'm typing my new password. Though it says medium, but I'm okay with it. So let's scroll down and click on update profile. And then I wanna clean up my WordPress dashboard more. So to do it, from left, hover over on plugins. From there, go to installed plugins. Here we can see some plugins. Actually, they came with default WordPress installation, but I don't need any of them. So let's just select them all together by clicking here. Now from bulk action, I'm clicking on delete, then click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. So here all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Then we can go to pages from here. Now go to all pages. We can also see some default pages that came with WordPress, but I don't need them either. So just select them all together. From bulk action, click on move to trash, then click on apply. So they are instantly deleted. Now, before moving forward, I want to make you understand with two basic terms. One is the front end and another one is the dashboard. Right now, we are inside our WordPress dashboard. Only we can access this place because we are the admin of this website. But now, if you want to see the front end of the website, then from the left top, if we hover over on our site name, then we can see visit site. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here, this is basically the front end of our website. The whole world can see this portion of the website. Also at the top, we can see a black bar. We can only see this because we are the admin of the website. So this is the front end of our website, and here, this is the dashboard of our website. Alright, to create our beautiful website, we need to install some plugins. So to install those plugins, first from left, hover over on plugins. From there, this time click on add new. And here, the first plugin I want to install, that's our Elementor Page Builder plugin. But before installing the plugin, I want to create a free account on Elementor. So to create a free Elementor account, you can just go to gymfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page, under important links, here you see it says get Elementor free version. So let's just click there. That will take you to this Elementor page, and from here you see it says try the free version. I'm clicking here, and it's completely free. To create a free Elementor account, you just need to put your email address here and put a strong password, then click on create account to create your free Elementor account. Then right after creating your free Elementor account, you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard. From here, I want to install the Elementor Page Builder, and you can search the plugin name from here, from this search field. Here I'm typing Elementor. Here you go, it says Elementor Website Builder. Let's just click on install now, and then click on activate to activate the plugin. Now in this onboarding page, it's basically asking for some other informations, but I don't want to put any of them right now. So we can just skip it. From the top right corner, click on this X. Alright, let's minimize it, and I want to install our next plugin. So to do it, from here, again hover over on plugins and click on add new. This time I want to install our Mate Form plugin. So from here, I'm searching for Mate Form. Here you go, it says Mate Form Elementor Contact Form Builder, and it's by WP Mate. Let's now click on install now. Then click on activate. Now I want to install the next plugin. So from here, under plugins, click on add new. Then this time here, I'm searching for Power Pack Lite for Elementor. So it's basically this one. It says Power Pack add-ons for Elementor, and it's by Idea Box Creations. So let's click on install now. Then click on activate. Cool. So we have installed and activated these three plugins. By the way, like I said, I love to work in a clean environment, so I just wanna remove all these notifications from top. Alright, now the next thing I wanna do, I wanna change the theme of our website, and to do it, from left, hover over on appearance. From there, let's go to themes. Here again we can see some themes. They are coming with Elementor default. Not Elementor default, they are actually came with default WordPress installation, but I don't want to use any of these themes. So to create a new theme, to install a new theme, you can just click here on this big button. It says add a new theme. And here I'm searching for a really lightweight theme because it will make our website speed super lightweight. That's why here I'm searching for a theme that's name is Astra. And here is the theme. You see it says Astra. Now click on install. Then click on activate to activate Astra theme. Okay, as we have installed and activated Astra theme, now have a look. If I now go to the front end of our website, this is our previous look. And after updating our new theme, if I now refresh the page, you see the look and feel of our website has been changed. So at least we can understand the theme is changed properly. And you see right now the page is super boring, super ugly, but no worries. I will make the website super beautiful, super amazing by using our favorite page builder. Okay, so now let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Here I wanna create a page. To create a page, from left, hover over on pages. From there, let's click on add new. And from here I wanna create my page, but sometimes you may see it in full screen because from the top right corner, if I click on this vertical 3 dots, from here you see sometimes this full screen mode is turned on like this. So you can disable the full screen mode just by turning off from this place. Alright, so here I need to give it a name to this page and I just want to name it home. Now from the right top, click on publish and click on publish one more time. And at this moment, this is our empty page. We will be creating this page by using Elementor Page Builder. But before that, I want to do a simple setting. That is, I want to make this home page as our home page, because if we now go to our main URL here, you see it's our main URL is gmx.com, but we can see the blog post here. And I don't want that. I want a custom home page on our main URL. So to do it, from the dashboard, let's hover over on settings. From there, let's go to reading. Now here you see it says your home page displays. I'm selecting a static page, and home page I'm selecting home. Now let's scroll down and click on save changes. Then if we just go to the front end of the website and if we refresh the page, you see it's getting the home page that we have just created. Perfect. And then from the dashboard, I just want to show you some good practices. So you can do these little tiny steps, like from under settings, from this place, let's go to permalinks. Here the permalink settings by default is set to day and name, but instead of that I'm setting it as post name because it's good for search engine optimization. Let's now scroll down, click on save changes. Also from under settings, let's now go to general. You can change your site title and tagline from here. So basically your site title and tagline will help you to rank on Google. Also, if you have a look on the front end, have a look at the browser top. Right now it says my blog, then my WordPress blog, but I don't want that. So from the dashboard, you see these are basically coming from this title and tagline field. So here inside site title, instead of my blog, I wanted to say Jim Fahad Digital. Then within the tagline, I wanted to say you deserve to be seen. And then you don't need to do anything with these links. But if you want to change the administration email address, you can change the email from this place, and rest of these settings are fine for me. So from the bottom, I'm clicking on save changes. We have done almost all basic settings. Now we can create, we can design our beautiful page. So from left, let's hover over on pages, then go to add pages, all pages. And from under all pages, we can see here we have only one page, that's the home. And we will be creating this page by using Elementor Page Builder. But before we start designing this page, I just wanna do couple more settings for Elementor, and these settings are crucial. If you don't do these two settings perfectly, then your website might not work the way I'm showing here right now. So please just follow the settings I'm doing right now. Actually, those are not complicated, these are super easy. So to do it, from left, this time hover over on Elementor. From there, go to settings. Now first let's go under the advanced tab. From here you see it says enable unfiltered file uploads. I'm making it to enable. Now from bottom, click on Save Changes. And then let's go under Experiments. From here, let's scroll down. Here I'm searching for a Flexbox. Yep, here it says Flexbox container. So I'm making it to active. And let's scroll down and click on Save Changes. Alright, we are ready to go. We have done all the settings. So from left this time, go to Pages to All Pages. Here is our home page. If I hover over here, you see underneath it says Edit. Click there. And of course, I will be designing the page by using Elementor Page Builder. So from top, click on Edit with Elementor. Right now we are inside Elementor Page Builder. Elementor Page Builder is super fun and it's super easy to use. Now first let me introduce you with the Elementor basics. Here at the left side, everything you can see, all these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. Like here you can see the heading widget or element. Then here is the image widget, here is the video widget, here is the button widget like this. Also if you scroll down here, we can see some pro widgets. So if you wanna use any of these widgets or elements, then you need to purchase the Elementor Pro version. But in this particular tutorial, we won't be using any pro elements. So here I'm minimizing the pro elements or widgets. We will be only using these free elements or free widgets. Okay, then on the right side, this is our website canvas. And everything we need to do, we just need to drag the elements from left side and drop it to the right canvas here. Let me just give you quickly some examples. Let's say if I want to add any heading widget here within the canvas, then from left you see this is the heading element or widget. Let's just drag this from left to the right side here. Now if you want to change this text, you can just triple click over here, or you can change the text from left side within this title field. For example, here I wanted to say Jim Fahad Digital. Then if you wanna set the alignment, you can do that from here. Now let's say if you wanna do some styling with this heading, you can do that from under the Style tab. So go under the Style tab. From here, if you wanna change the color of the heading, from here just click on this color picker. Then you can select any other colors like this. Also you can just move this bar to select more colors. For example, here I'm making it kinda reddish color. Then if you want to play with its typography, then from here you see its typography, just click on this pencil icon. You can play with all these options. Let's say if you want to change the font family, then click here and you see here bunch of fonts families. And also you can search any font family from here, like I'm searching for Poppins. Let's select it and you see it's instantly changed. Then if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can just use this bar. If you drag this to the right, you see it's becoming bigger. Also you can make it smaller by dragging it to the left. Alright, then from here you can play with the font weight. You can make it more thinner or you can make it more bolder like this. Then if you want, you can make it all uppercase. You can play with the styling, like you can make it italic. So there are so much options you can play around. Alright. Now let's say right underneath this heading, if you wanna add some paragraph or some text, then all you need to do from left side, click on this hamburger icon. Actually it's not hamburger, you just need to click here on this Rubik's Cube icon. Now from here I'm searching for text editor widget. Here we go. Just drag this text editor right underneath this heading here. Then if you wanna change the text, you can change them from here. And you can just go under the Style tab if you wanna do any styling work with it. For example, if you wanna change the text color, you can do that from here. If you wanna set the alignment, you can align them to the right, to the left, or similar like the heading, you can make the alignment to the centered. Then again, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon. Right underneath this text, if you wanna add any button, then from left side here I'm searching for button. Also there is a search option here. So here I'm searching for button. Here you go. Let's just drag this button widget underneath this paragraph here. Then if you wanna change the text of the button, you can do that from this place. If you wanna link this button with any other website, you can do that from this place. By default, you see the link field is only a hash, but instead of this hash, here I'm putting my website URL. That's gymfahaddigital.com. So now if anyone clicks on this button, that will take them to my website. And here again, you can adjust the alignment from this place. Then let's say if you wanna play with its styling, just go under its style tab. From here you can play with its typography. If you wanna change the background color of this button, you can do that from here. You see it says color. Just open the color picker. I wanna make the button's background color to black. So from here I'm dragging the color picker to the black color like this. Cool. Okay. Now let's say if you wanna add some space in between this button and this paragraph, then make sure you have selected the button. Just go under its advanced tab. Now like I said, you want to add some space at the top of this button. So to do it, you can use this margin option. First of all, just unlink it by clicking here. As we want to add some space at the top, so from here I'm adding top margin to anything. Probably here I'm adding 50 pixel of margin top. You see here 50 pixel space has been added at the top. So not only with this button, if I select this heading widget and go under its advanced tab, you see there are margin and padding options with each element. Now let me recap whatever I'm saying. So here let me just recap whatever I'm explaining here. If you wanna work with any elements, that might be the heading, that might be the paragraph, that might be the button. So whenever you wanna change the main content, you just need to select that element. In this case, I'm selecting this heading. You just need to go under its content tab to change the main content. If you wanna do any styling with it, you just need to go under the style tab and you can change all the color or typography stuff from here. And if you wanna do any spacing work with it, you just need to go under advanced tab. Then you can play with this padding and margin. So the same thing with this paragraph, the same thing with this button. So the same rule will go with all these elements or all these widgets. So if you want, you can create your whole website by dragging the elements from left side to the right canvas. Then you can design it from under style tab. Like I said, if you want, you can do that everything by yourself. Actually, in this YouTube channel, I have created a 4-hour long step-by-step tutorial where I have created multi-page Elementor website, everything in step-by-step. So if you are willing to learn how to design the whole website from scratch, everything in step-by-step, you can watch that tutorial. But with this specific tutorial, my goal is to create your website really fast. And to do that, I already have created the whole template for you. I'm showing you very shortly how you can access the template and how to import the template within the website. But before that, I just wanna delete everything I have created here. So if you wanna delete anything, you just need to right click here on this blue pencil icon. And from here, let's just delete it. Similarly, this heading, I'm deleting it from here. Also, let's delete this paragraph from here. Alright, now to get the ready template that I already have created for you, you just need to go to gymfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description like I have said earlier. So from this page under important links, here you see it says download the template I have used in this tutorial. By clicking this link, basically you will get a file like this. So right after downloading, you will get this zip file. First of all, you need to unzip this file. And then here inside, you see you will get basically these 2 JSON files. I'm showing you very shortly how to insert these ready templates. So let's now go back inside our WordPress dashboard. I mean, go inside our Elementor page builder. Okay, so now to import the templates, let's click on this gray folder icon. Now from here, from the right side, click on this top arrow icon and then click on select file. Now from here, make sure you have selected the Candy Home page or candyhome.json file. Then click on open. And here under my templates, we can see it says Candy Portfolio Home page. Now let's click on this green insert button here. Then click here on apply. And boom, here you go. The whole website has been inserted within our page. I will of course show you how to edit all of this, how you can replace the images with your own images, how to change the text with your own text. But before doing any other thing here, first I want to do one setting. Because here at the top we can see this header is basically coming from the theme, but we no longer need this header because we already have a header included within this template. So to remove it, first of all, from the bottom left, click on this gear icon. Now from here, make the page layout to Elementor canvas. Now have a look, the header that was coming from the theme, that has been removed. Now here at the top we can see our beautiful header. I will talk about this header a bit later. Let's now start with this beautiful banner. Okay, so from here, let's say if you wanna change this text with your own text, all you need to do, just click over this text like this. Then if you want, you can change the text from here or from left within this field. Let's say instead of UX designer, if you wanna write here web designer, so here I'm writing web designer. You see it's instantly changed here. In the same way, if you wanna change the paragraph text, just click over there and you can change the text from left side. Then let's say if you wanna work with this button, let's select this button. So if you wanna change the text of this button, you can do that from this place. You see within the text field it says get a free code, but if you wanna write here hire me right now or any other thing like that, and if you wanna link it with your Fiverr or Upwork account, you can do that very easily. So within this link field, just remove this and you need to put here your Upwork or any other freelancing platform link. But by default here, actually I have linked this button with the contact section. So have a look. If I just click here on this get a free code button, that will take us to this contact area. I will talk more about this later of this video. So for now, let's just start working with the banner area here. Then on the left side, we can see here a beautiful image. If you want to change this image with any of your own image, then you just need to click over this image. Now to change the image from left, click here on choose image. From under upload files, click on select files. Basically by clicking on select files, you can upload anything from your computer. So I'm clicking here on select files. Now from my computer, for example, I'm selecting this image. Now click on open. Then click on insert media. You see the image has been changed and it also looks great here. So you don't necessarily need to put here transparent image. You can put any type of image where you look confident, of course. By the way, if you wanna see the real view of the website, because here at the left we have got a Elementor bar here, that's why we cannot get the real feel of the website. So we can just easily minimize it by clicking here. Now we can see the real feel of our website. So if you don't put any transparent image, if you put any square image or rectangular image like this, it will also look great on your banner. But I want to also show you how you can make your images transparent by using some online free tools. Actually, there are a couple more websites or web tools. Like here you can go to remove.bg, this website, or there is another one, it says removal.ai. So let's use any of them. Okay, so here I'm using the removal.ai website. Now from here, first click on choose a photo. I'm selecting this photo because it has a background with it. Now click on open. It started processing the image. Let's just wait for it. And here we go. You see the background has been removed and it's now a transparent image. Then click on this download button to download this transparent image. And yep, it's downloaded on my computer. So if I now go back inside Elementor page builder, then let's change this image. Go to upload file, click on select files. And this is the image. We have just removed the background. Let's select it, click on open. So here we go, this is the image. Now click on insert media and here we go. Let's just minimize it and have a look. It looks perfectly fine. By the way, here I wanna tell you one disclosure, like all these websites, this remove.bg or this removal.ai, I believe you can do 1 or 2 images for free. And then if you wanna use this tool more, then you need to pay them some bucks. So always pre-decide which image you wanna make transparent, because like I said, they will only give you 1 or 2 free chance to make your image transparent. But not only these free tools, if you are really want to make your images look professional, transparent images, you can also go to fiverr.com to hire some really affordable designers. Like if you just go to fiverr.com and from the search bar, if you search for background removal, then have a look, you will find a lot of sellers. They will remove any type of background from your image, and you see their cost is only $5. Alright, now let's go back inside Elementor. So here I have just shown you how you can remove the background of your image by using the free tools. But you know what, instead of this one, I actually wanna use the first image. So click on choose image, and here this was the image. So select it again and click on insert media. Alright, now here I wanna show you another interesting thing. Here you see at the background we have two colors. The left color is kinda yellowish and the right color is dark blue. You have also control over that. So to do it, I will take the help of the navigator. So just right click anywhere and click on navigator. Okay, so by using navigator, whenever you are clicking on any container, the specific container will be highlighted. Like here, if I select this container, you see this container underneath is highlighted here. But actually I wanna select the upper section or upper container, I mean this banner. So for that I'm selecting this container. Let's minimize it so you can understand it properly, the third one. So we have selected the banner container. Now from left side, go under style tab. From here, have a look. Actually, I have given the background type to a gradient color. That's why you can see this yellowish color at the left and the dark blue color on the right side. If you want to change this yellowish color to any other color, then from here, you just need to change this first color to any other color like blue or anything like this. But I want to go back to the previous color. Similar like this, if you want, you can change this color by clicking on this color picker and select any other color from this place. And not only that, here is another interesting thing. If you want to change the angle, you can do that from here. So you see I have set it to 90 degree, but you can also play with it like this. So you can just adjust it the way you want. But I want to keep it as 90 degree. You already understand it's super fun to use Elementor Page Builder. Okay, for the moment, I'm just closing the navigator from here. Just have a look. If you wanna change the color of this bar at the top, just select this bar. Now from the left, if you want, you can increase its width from here. Like I have set the width to 100%, but if you want, you can increase or decrease it from here like this. But I wanna keep it as 100% width. Also, if you want to change its color, just go under the style tab. From here, instead of this yellowish color, you can change it to any other color. How cool is that? Alright, we can just move to the next section. From here, you can change all this heading, the paragraph. I'm showing you everything step by step. So here we can see multicolor heading. So to work with it, just select it by clicking here. Now the first text, if you want to change the about text, you can change it from this place within this first part field. If you want to change this second word, you can do that from inside this second part field. And you see this about's color is white, the me's color is kinda yellowish. If you want to change that, you can do that as well. Just go under the style tab. From here, the first part color, instead of white, you can change it to any other color like this, but I want to keep it white. And then similarly, if you want to change this yellowish color, just open the second part, you can change it from this place. Then you can change this heading, just click over it. You can replace this text with your own text. You can replace this paragraph text with your own text. And by the way, here is another option for you. Like here you see this paragraph is split into two columns. If you don't want that, then from here you see it says columns, you can just make it to one column, so they will appear within one column. But I like the two columns, so I'm setting it to 2. Then underneath here is the social media icon, so just click over there. Here at the left you can see different social icons like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Let's say if you wanna change this Facebook with any other social platform, just click over that, then click on this icon. then instead of Facebook you can insert any other social media icon. But for now I just want to keep the Facebook, so let's close it. And here inside, if you want to put your Facebook page URL, you need to put the URL within this link field. Similar with other social handles like Twitter, you can put your Twitter handle link within this field. You can put your YouTube channel's link within this link field. And not only these 4 social icons, if you want you can add more just by clicking on this add items from here. Then just click over this icon and you can select any other platform, for example Pinterest, then click on insert, and you need to put your Pinterest link within this link field. And if you don't want it, just click on this X to delete that social icon. Alright, now on the right side we have got our beautiful progress bar. You can also edit them. For example, I wanna edit the last one, so just select it. Here you see it says XYZ thinking, so instead of this XYZ thinking I want it to say creative thinking. So to do it, from left you see it says inner text, instead of XYZ here I'm writing creative thinking. By the way, it's a glitch, you cannot see the change here immediately, but if I just now save this page and refresh it, you can see it properly here. Also, I wanna change it to 95% instead of 90, so you can change the percentage from here. So instead of 90, I'm putting here 95%. Alright, let's now move to the next section of our website. This is the services section, and it's basically a slider. So here if I put my cursor outside of this area, it will start auto sliding. Actually, sometimes within the Elementor page builder you cannot see the sliding properly, but on the real browser outside of the Elementor page builder you can see the sliding properly. But now here I wanna show you how you can work with this. I mean, how to change this icon with any other icon, how to change this heading, paragraph like this. So to change anything, just click over that. And now here, for example, I provide mobile design, I provide web design, so I wanna keep them. And here, instead of font design, I wanna offer logo design. So here, the font design, that's basically the third one. So open the font design. And then from here you can change the title from this place, you can change the description from this place. So instead of font design I want it to say logo design, so instead of font here I'm writing logo design, and you can see it's instantly changed, it says logo design. Oops, it started sliding here. So actually, first of all I wanna do one setting. I will make it auto slide again. So first of all, because it's making the process super annoying, because whenever I want to edit anything on the left side it started sliding. So first of all, from left open the carousel settings, and here temporarily I'm just turning off the autoplay from this place. Okay, now let's scroll up, open the info boxes, and this time let's open the logo design. So here you can change the title from this place, you can change, basically we were working with this, so this logo design, so you can change this logo design text from this place, you can change this paragraph text from this place. Then if you wanna change the text or link of this button, then from this place just go under link. Right now I have linked this button with our contact form section, but instead of that, if you want you can link it to any other website. Then if you wanna change the text of this button, you can change that from this place. Then let's say if you wanna change this icon with your own icon, to do it from here, go under icons tab, and here this icon is basically an image. So if you have your own icon image, you can upload that image and replace it from this place. But here you can also insert font awesome icons. To do it, instead of this image you need to select this icon. So here you can see a tiny checkmark icon, but instead of this checkmark I wanna select any other icon. For example, here I'm selecting this icon, click on insert. But you see this icon is looking really tiny, so to make it bigger, from top let's scroll up, just go under style tab, and here you see this field is for icons. Just open it, and from here I wanna change the icon color from this default blue to the white color, and also I wanna increase the size of this icon. So from here I'm just dragging this icon size bar to the right side. You see it starts increasing like this. Cool. Let's just keep it to 70. So in the same way, if you wanna change all other icons, all this text, you can do that. And if I go under content, here we can see only 4 services or 4 items. If you wanna add more, you can just click on add items and you can add more services. Alright, let's scroll down. Here we have got a beautiful call to action area, and you can change this heading, you can change this subheading. Also, by selecting this button, you can change the button link, button text, everything from here. Also, if your brand color is different than this yellowish color, if you wanna change this yellow color to any other color, just select this container by clicking here, go under its style tab, and you can change the background color from this color picker, By the way, here I wanna tell you one thing upfront. Whenever you are editing your website, after making any change, don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. Because without saving your work, if you just refresh the page accidentally, you will lose all the changes that you have made recently. So always remember, after editing anything within your website, click on this update button to save your work. Alright, let's now work with the next section. So let's scroll down. Here you can showcase your portfolios. First, let me understand the structure. So from left, I'm minimizing it. You see, initially we can see only the project images or the thumbnails, and if we hover over on it, we can see the project details like the title, the description text, and the link. If you want, you can also link this with your client's real website link. So people can just click on this link and they can see it live on the real website. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's just expand it. And here, I don't need to change all these images, all this text. If I just change one of them, you can understand how to how to change other portfolios by yourself. Okay, let's start with this one. Just click over it, or you can just click on this blue pencil icon. Now, first have a look. Initially, we can see this image here. And if you want to change this image, then from the left side, you just need to go under its style tab, and here this image is basically coming from this place. So to change the image, you already know, just click over that and go to upload files, click on select files. You can change it with any other image. So I'm selecting this image, click on open. Now just click on insert media, and here you go. Okay. So now if I hover over on it, you see we can see the heading, the paragraph, the button. So to change this text, now go to left, scroll up a bit, go under content. First, here we can see it's basically the front content, just minimize it, and this is the back content, so open it. You see all the back elements are basically coming from this place. This project title, the project description, if I hover over on it, you see these are coming from this place. Then if you wanna change this button text and button link, you can change that from this place. You just need to write the button text within here in this place. You can put the button URL within this link field here. Cool. Let's now scroll down, and here this is our testimonial area. And have a look here, it's also auto sliding. So I will turn on the auto slide option later, but if we turn on it now, we cannot change it properly. So the first thing, just click over it to select it. Select the testimonial. Then from left, let's scroll down, open the carousel settings. First of all, I just wanna turn off this autoplay option. Okay, now scroll up and open the info boxes. Here you can see there are 3 testimonials. And similar like other areas, if you want to add more testimonials, you just need to click on add items. Okay, so here I'm showing you how you can change this headshot, this real testimonial text. So to do it, first of all, this one is the first testimonial, because if I slide to the right side, this is the second testimonial, this one is this, and then this one is the third one. So that's basically this third testimonial. Okay, so I wanna show you the first one because here I have written some lorem ipsum or dummy text. Now from left, let's open the first one. Okay, here be very careful with that because whatever you will be writing within this title field, that will become the real testimonial here. I know it's kind of weird, but it works in this way. So here within this title field, I just want to replace this dummy text with my real client's testimonial. Then if you want to change the name, you need to change your client's name within this field. You can change your client's title or their job role from inside this text area. Then if you want to change the headshot, then from here go under icons and you can change the image with your real client's headshot. It's simple like that. And I know now you can change all these testimonials, you can change all the headshots, all the title and their subtitles. Okay, now have a look on the right side. If you wanna change this image, just click on this image. By the way, if you don't wanna use this image, you can just delete it from here. So right click on this blue pencil icon and click on delete. Because I have designed this area in a way, if you don't use the image, it also looks great. Because if I minimize it and have a look here, without the image, it also looks really synchronized with our whole website. Alright, but actually I just wanna get back that image. So here I'm pressing Command Z. And here you remember we have turned off the auto sliding option. So just click here again. Now go to carousel settings and I wanna turn on the autoplay for this. Also I have turned off the autoplay here with the services section. So let's select it again. Go under its carousel settings and I wanna turn on the autoplay from this place. Alright, let's now scroll down. We have done the portfolio, we have done the testimonial area, and here this is the pricing table. So if you wanna put your pricing here up front, you can do that from this place. By the way, it's completely optional. Let's say if you don't wanna use it, you can just delete it by clicking on this X. You see the pricing table area is instantly deleted. But I want it back. So from here, click on this history and I'm just going to the previous state. So click here and I have got back my pricing area here underneath. Okay. You know, these are super easy for you because you are not comfortable with Elementor. If you wanna change anything, let's say if you wanna change this pricing instead of $199, pricing it $499 per project, you can do that. So if you wanna change anything, just click over that and you can change that text from left or within the field here. Now, let's say if you wanna also change these features like here, instead of 3 pages, I want to offer them 5 pages. So from left, open the 3 pages, this option. Instead of 3 pages, I'm writing here 5 pages. Cool. Alright, let's now move to our next section. This one is basically your client's logos. So it's image carousel or logo carousel. If you want to replace this logo with your own logo, just click over it. Now from left side within this, it says 6 images selected because we have uploaded 6 images here. Just click over it. Then if you want to delete these logos, just click on this X to delete it. And if you want to add your own client logos, just click on add to gallery. And you can just go to upload files and you can upload your own client images here. And after uploading your client logos, if you want, you can order or reorder it because if you have worked with any big brand, of course, you wanna put their logo at the first. Then right after that, to save it, just click on insert gallery. Your client logos will be shown here in this place. Alright, let's now go to our contact area. And don't worry about this right area. We will be adding a contact from here. Before that, let's focus on this left side. Here, this one is the call option. Here you can add your phone number. You can add your email address here. If you want, you can change this address with your own physical office address. And here I want to show you another interesting thing. I have created the phone number and email the way. Let me show you properly. So just click over it. And instead of this call us, if you want to change it, you can change the text from here. If you want to change this icon, you can replace this icon from this place. But the interesting thing is here in this place. Like you need to write your real phone number here, and you can add spaces because it's only for showing within the page in this place. But I have written the phone number within the functional tail here. So right after this tail, you need to put your phone number with the country code without any space. Why is that? Because I have created in the way if anyone visits your website on mobile device and if they click on this number, they can directly call you. So make sure you have put your correct number here just after this tail. You see here it says tail then a colon. Don't change it. Just from this plus icon to the last 9, you need to replace it with your own number. And again, don't put any break or any space within this number. So similar with this email address, let's select the email. You can write here any email address name because it will only be shown here on the website preview, but you need to write exact email address right after this mail to colon. Here you need to write your exact email address. Then if anyone clicks on this email address, they can directly send you the email. Alright, I hope you understand it properly. Now on the right side, I wanna insert the contact form. And I wanna insert the contact form at the top of this text in this place. So if you put your cursor here, you see there is a blank space. But only to make you double sure, just right click here and open the navigator. You see I have put a empty mate form here. So make sure you have selected this mate form or this empty area. Then you can see this option here at the left side. It says form and you need to edit the form. Okay, first of all, we can just close the navigator from this place and from left click on edit form. Now here first make sure you have selected the new form, and here I wanna give my form name. I'm just naming it my contact form. You can name it anything you want. Then from here select an empty template. Now from underneath click on edit form. And here again, if you wanna create your form step by step, you just need to drag these elements from left to the right canvas. But I don't want you to do that because in this tutorial, my goal is to create the website really fast. That's why I also created the form template for you. To add the template, this time click again on this gray folder icon. From top, click on this top arrow or import template icon. Click on select file. And this time within this folder, you see there is a JSON file. It says candycontact.json. Let's select it. Click on open. And here it says Candy Portfolio Contact. Let's now click on this green insert button. And here we go. By the way, I have created 4 fields here. First one is for name, then email, then the subject, and here is the message area. Let's say if you wanna change this text, you wanna change the email text to any other text, just select it. And here within the placeholder, instead of email, I just wanna write it your email. You see, it's instantly changed. But don't change this name field. If you want, you can change these placeholders, but don't change these name fields because these are dynamic. I will show you how to set up these later. And then again, this is the subject field. Let's say if you don't want this subject field, then from here, just right click on this blue pencil icon, then click on delete to remove the subject field. But you know what? I want the subject field. So from here, I'm pressing on Command Z to get it back. Now to save it, from here, click on this green update button. And then I wanna show you some basic form settings. So from top, click on form settings. And here, if you want, you can change your form name from here. You can change the success message from here, but I wanna keep everything default. Just here, it says entry title. I wanna change it. So here, I want it to say something like quote from the client name, like that. So before working with this field here, I wanna show you another thing. Let's just click outside or click on this X. Each of this field has its own name. So for example, if I want to use this name field, just select it. And you see here is a name and it's mf-text. So from here, I'm just copying this mf-text. Now again, open the form settings. Then from under general tab, here I want it to say, instead of entry hash, I'm writing here quote from. Then within this square bracket, I'm removing this mf id, and here I'm pasting mf-text. So it will make our entries dynamic. It's not anything complicated. I will show you actually how it works. Okay, so let's just scroll down from here and click on save changes. Now from here, click on update and close. Here we can see the form. Now to save this page, click on update. Okay, if I now preview our page, just from here, click on this eyeball icon, and here let's just scroll down. I'm just going to the contact form area in this place. Let's just fill up the form. So I'm first forwarding the video. Okay, so let's say someone named James Doe came to your website. They fill up this form, and then after clicking on get a free quote, the form says thank you, form submitted successfully. Cool. Now if you go to your WordPress dashboard, so to go to your WordPress dashboard from left, I'm going to our WordPress dashboard. Here we go. Okay, let's minimize them. And now from here, you see on the left it says made form. Hover over on it and click on entries. Oops, it forces us to watch this video, but I don't want to watch it. But from bottom, let's just click on next step, again click on next step, then again click on next step, and again click on next step. Is there anything remaining? Okay, just click on last save changes. Okay, so from here under made forms, just go to entries, and here you see it says quote from James Doe. And if I now click over it, we can see the email. It says the message is sent from James Doe. Here is his email address. Here is the title. Here is the subject, and here is the main message. So you can just read your client's message from here. Then you can reply back to this email address from your best email. So this is one way to receive the email. So every time you need to come to your WordPress dashboard, then from under made form, you need to click on entries, and you need to check if there is any new email has arrived here. But now I want to also show you a great way. Like instead of checking it always from inside of your WordPress dashboard, what about you will get a notification on your email whenever anyone fill up the contact form. So to do it, let's go again inside Elementor page builder. From here, let's select this contact form. From left, click on edit form and make sure your my contact form is selected. Then click on edit form. Actually, I want to keep all these settings same, because I don't want to change any of this. I just want to do some form settings. So from here, click on form settings. This is perfectly fine. Now from top, go under notification. And here I'm turning on this option. It says notification mail to admin. So turn it on. And here, first of all, I want to write the email subject. And remember, this subject is only for you. So whenever anyone fill up the contact form from your website, you will instantly receive an email, and this subject line is for you. So you will understand this is coming from your own website. So here I just wanted to say you received a quote, and then within this email to field, you need to put your email address, because in this email address, you will get all the information that anyone put inside the contact form. So here I'm putting my email address, that jimfdigital@gmail.com, and here within this email from field and within this email reply to field, I want to use the dynamic email code, and that would be just within this square bracket. Make sure there is no gap. Within that, here I'm typing everything in lowercase mf-email. That's basically our email field's name. So I just want to copy it within the email reply to field. I'm just pasting it again. Then we can keep this admin node to empty. Now click on save changes. Also from here, click on update and close. Then from here, click on update to save our work. Now, if we go back to our front end, let's scroll down to the form section. Oops, here. Okay, here I'm just filling up this form really quickly. So let's say anyone named Daniel Dino fill up this form, and then if she clicks on get a free code, it says thank you, form submitted successfully. Cool. And now if we just go to our WordPress dashboard, now from under made form, just click on entries. Here we can see a new entry and it says code from Daniel Dino, and if we click over it, we can see the details here. And the interesting thing is, at the same time, you will get that on your email address. In this case, I'm using my Gmail. So if I go to my Gmail inbox, you see here I have received an email. It says it's coming from Fahad Digital and it says you received a code. Let's now open this email. By the way, it's suggesting it might be spam, but it's not a spam because it's coming from our own website. So you can just ignore these warnings because only you can see it. Okay, so within your inbox, you can see the whole information here. And from your email inbox, if you just click on reply, let's close it from bottom, you can reply your message here. Then just click on send. That reply will go to this email address, I mean your client's email address. So to me, checking every time from inside the WordPress dashboard, if you receive the notification on your email, it's more convenient. Alright, let's now go back inside Elementor page builder. And then you can change this text. Just hover over, just click on it and you can change the text from here. Then let's scroll down. If you wanna share your physical address on Google Map, you can do that from here. So to change it, just from right side, click on this pencil icon. So here, instead of this default London eye, you can put your real physical address, so people can find your address easily from here. Alright, then underneath here is our global footer, and these menu items or these links are basically the jump buttons. I have used these same jump buttons at the header, so I will talk about it shortly when I will work with the header. And you already know how to work with these social icons. Then with this copyright text, just click over it. You can write all the copyright stuff like your company name or all rights reserved, this type of text. You can change this text from this place. So we can just move to our main header. Let's scroll up to the header area. So here at the top, this is our main header. On the left, this is the logo. By the way, if you wanna create a logo like this, I have a different tutorial for that. That's only 5 minutes long. On the tutorial, I have shown how you can create a free logo just by using an online tool. I will also put that tutorial link in the description. So here, if you wanna change this with your own logo, just click here and you can replace this logo with your own logo. And here on the right side, these are basically the jump buttons or the navigation menus. As this one is a one-page website, so let's say from here, if you click on portfolio, that will jump to the portfolio section. Then from top, if you click on this contact button, that will jump you to the contact area. So if you wonder how it's working, now have a look. We are now at our contact section. So here, to select this container, click on these 6 dots. If I now go under its advanced tab, here, let's scroll down a bit. You see here I have put a CSS ID and the ID name is contact. So here, if I go to this top navigation, just select it by clicking on this, by clicking on this blue pencil icon. We can see all the list here. Now just open the contact. You see within the link field, I have linked it with #contact. So within a page, if you wanna link any button or these jump buttons with another section, first you need to put a hashtag and then the CSS ID and make sure there is no space in between. So actually I have done the same thing with other buttons, like here this get a free code button. Let's just select this button. Have a look on the left. I have linked it with # then contact. Also, I have done the same thing with this call to action button. Just select it. By the way, if you click over this button, that will take you directly to the contact area. So make sure from here you have not clicked the button. Instead, just click on this blue pencil icon. So you can see all the functions on the left side, and I have linked it with the contact area. So basically in this way, this navigation menu or jump button works. By the way, if you wanna change this text with any other text, you can do that as well. Just click on this blue pencil icon. Now, let's say this one, I made a typo. It's not testimonial, it would be testimonial. So to edit the text from left, select the testimonial, and here I'm writing testimonial. Alright, then on the right side here I have put a phone number, and you already know how to work with it. Just select it, open the items from left side here, and you know this is just the display name. So if you want, you can put spaces here, but within the link field right after this tail colon, you need to put your exact phone number with the country code without any space. Alright, and by the way, on the right side you may see a hamburger, but you can see it only because we are inside Elementor page builder, and I have made this hamburger for tablet device and mobile device. But on the desktop device you cannot see it, because if I minimize the bar from left side, we can see the real preview of the website. Now have a look on the right, we can no longer see the hamburger. Alright, and here I wanna also show you how our website is looking on the mobile device and tablet device. So to check it, from the bottom left here, click on this responsive mode icon. Now to show you the real view, first of all I just wanna minimize the left bar from here, and you already have seen how it's looking on desktop device. So I wanna go to the tablet device. So here on the tablet device everything is looking great. All the sections are responsive perfectly. Here is the work section, I mean the portfolio section. Everything is looking great on the tablet device. Then if you wanna also check how it's looking on mobile device, then from top click on mobile icon. You see everything on mobile device also looking super crispy. We can see all the hover effects are also working. By the way, on the mobile device there is no hover option, so if you just tap over it you can see the details here. Also we can see these carousels are working perfectly, and if we scroll down we can see the beautiful pricing tables. Also on the mobile device you can see the borders are here to make them separate from each other. Let's now scroll down, we can see this contact area. Here's the contact form. Everything is looking perfect on mobile device. And also at the top I wanna show you the navigation or the hamburger. So you see on the left this is the logo, and here is the phone number. So from mobile device if anyone clicks on this, they can directly make a call to your phone. And then on the right side this is the hamburger icon. Just click on it. We can see our navigation menu on full screen. So from here, let's say if anyone clicks on contact, that will jump them directly to the contact section here. Cool. Alright, let's now close the responsive bar from top because everything is looking great on all devices. Now I just wanna show you last few things. So open the bar from left. The very last thing I wanna do, I wanna add the favicon on our website. Favicon is basically the little tiny icon that appears at the top of the browser here in this place. Like if I go to my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com, here we can see a tiny icon here. So similar like that, let's go inside Elementor, and to add the favicon, from left click on this hamburger, then click on site settings. Now from this place click on site identity, and from here you can upload your site favicon. So just click here and make sure your favicon is square shaped. So it might be 120 by 120 or 60 pixel by 60 pixel like that. Okay, so from here let's just click on select files. I'm selecting this square favicon image. Click on open. Now click on insert media. By the way, we cannot see the favicon instantly here, but if I just click on update and refresh the page, we can see that on that time. And by the way, as we have uploaded the image within Elementor Page Builder, but still you can upload your site logo here as well. So it would be stored within Google Images tab if anyone search for your brand name. Okay, so from here click on site logo, go to media library because we already have uploaded the logo. Just select the logo, click on insert media. Cool. Now to save this, from here click on this update button and from top click on this X. Now to preview it finally, we can open it on a real browser. First of all, let's just click on this green update button to save all of our work, and then click on this eyeball icon to preview it on real browser. And like I said, you cannot see this black bar at the top. We can see it because we are logged in. And have a look at the top on this tab. We can see a little tiny favicon here. So here the banner section, the about me section, all these services, you see the slides are working perfectly. Here is the beautiful call to action area. Here we have got our portfolio section. The hover effects are working perfectly fine. Then if you scroll down, all these testimonial carousels are working fine. Here we have got our pricing table. Here is the logo carousel, the contact form, the Google map. Everything is showing really nicely. Now you know how to make a stunning portfolio website by yourself. You can just go ahead and make your website live today. Also, feel free to let me know your opinion about this tutorial in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.